anything in life if you dress for it. Let your child experiment with glamour, look a confident fashionista this Christmas and infuse new energy. Now, let's move on to the terms and conditions. Number 1. The length of the video should be 30 seconds to 1 minute. Number 2. Please make the child visible at the center of the video. Number 3. The link of the audio is attached in the description box. Number 4. Last date of entry is 21st December 2021, 9 AM. Number 5. Video should be recorded in landscape orientation. Number 6. Organizers have the right to cancel any entry found invalid. Kindly send the videos on 98100 33227 or 99100 99457, or you can email us at info.chhatarpur@madeeasyschool.in. I hope you all will love the fashion show. All the best! Christmas greetings. Let your child's imagination reach its zenith in the season of love, care and share. As art is a piece of children to learn to trust their ideas. Let us revive this card making art with lovely wishes. Now, let's move on to the terms and conditions. Number 1. Video of the child should be taken while making the greeting card. Number 2. It should be totally child's imagination without any help. Number 3. Video should not exceed more than a minute. Number 4. Final picture of the greeting should be sent separately. Kindly send the videos on 98100 33227 or 99100 99457, or you can email us at info.chhatarpur@madeeasyschool.in. I hope you're going to enjoy. All the best.
No Fire Cooking Challenge. Cooking with children is not just about ingredients and recipes. It's about harnessing creativity, imagination and empowerment. Let's open the doors of kitchen for the kiddos to explore and enjoy the taste of handmade delicacy and having the precious moments of Atmanirbhar. Let's move to the terms and conditions. Rule number 1. Picture should be clicked while cooking and one picture should be clicked of the final product along with the mother and child. Do kindly send your videos on 98100 33227 and another number is 99100 99457, or you can mail us at info.chhatarpur@madeeasyschool.in. Thank you.
Christmas greeting. Show what you know. This Christmas, let your child talk to the world. Let your child be an independent orator with confidence and spark. The topics are: number 1, Santa; number 2, Christmas tree; number 3, Rudolph the Red-Nosed. Now let's move to the terms and conditions. Number 1, the length of the video should not exceed 1 minute. Number 2, video and audio should be clear. Number 3, the background should be according to the theme. Number 4, they can use the props according to the topics. Hope you enjoy. All the best. Kindly send the videos on 98100 33227, 99100 99457, or email us at info.chhatarpur@madeeasyschool.in. All the best.
Change your angle, change the outlook. Let young devils explore how changing frames can change the way we look at things. With an idea to develop passion for photography, we hail our kiddos to be part of this unique contest and win exciting gifts on Christmas. In this contest, children have to click a picture which makes them happy. It can be anything related to natural things, their parent, friends, food, favorite painting, anything that makes them happy. Let's move to the terms and conditions. The picture should be clear. One photograph to be sent with the name of the child. Photographs can be taken through camera, Polaroid or phone camera. I hope children enjoy their journey of photography. All the best.